250 kph.
Now we're in 6 speed, moving up a little bit.
Well, it does feel a bit wobbly. I like it.
270. My God, this surface is shocking.
There's the wind, there's the wobble, there's the jump.
Oh my God! See, that is 280 and my heart's really starting to beat now.